Hardware startup Nothing said on Thursday it plans to make its affordable division the CMF into an independent subsidiary with India serving as the headquarters for manufacturing and R&D. The company first launched CMF in 2023 with a pair of buds and a smartwatch. Since then, it introduced smartphones under the brand. It's partnering with Indian ODM Optimus to create a joint venture for manufacturing. While the startup did not release the ownership structure of the venture, it aims to invest over $100 million over the next 3 years while creating over 1,800 jobs. The London-based startup, following its $200 million funding led by Tiger Global, didn't say how much money for this round will be getting into setting up the new venture. Nothing's decision to choose India as CMF operational headquarters makes sense as CMF smartphones have been priced under $200 and that is the dominant category in India with over 42% shipped in Q2 2025 being between $100 to $200 range. India has also been Nothing's strongest market with over 2% market share in smartphone. IDC says that Nothing was the fastest tech brand in India in Q2 2025 with 85% growth in shipments year on year. CMS have been well received by the market since they launched 2 years ago. With our end-to-end capabilities, we are uniquely positioned to build India into its first truly global smartphone brand. Our joint venture with Optimus is a key milestone towards making a vision a reality. Brand spin-offs have been very common in the past decade, especially from China. This includes Xiaomi spinning off Poco, Huawei selling off Honor, and Oppo making Realme a separate company.